Multiply 17.999 by 0.205 using long multiplication. For now, ignore the decimal points. Start with the rightmost digit of the bottom factor. 5 times 9 is 45. Put 5 in this column and carry 4. 5 times 9 plus the carried 4 is 49. Put 9 in this column and carry 4. 5 times 9 plus the carried 4 is 49. Put 9 in this column and carry 4. 5 times 7 plus the carried 4 is 39. Put 9 in this column and carry 3. 5 times 1 plus the carried 3 is 8. The first partial product is 89,995. Now use the next digit to the left, 0. Start one place to the left. Multiplying by 0 makes this whole row 0. The second partial product is 0. Now use the next digit to the left, 2. Start two places to the left. 2 times 9 is 18. Put 8 in this column and carry 1. 2 times 9 plus the carried 1 is 19. Put 9 in this column and carry 1. 2 times 9 plus the carried 1 is 19. Put 9 in this column and carry 1. 2 times 7 plus the carried 1 is 15. Put 5 in this column and carry 1. 2 times 1 plus the carried 1 is 3. The third partial product is 3,599,800. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 5 plus 0 is 5. In the tens column, 9 plus 0 is 9. In the hundreds column, 9 plus 0 plus 8 is 17. Put 7 in this column and carry 1. In the thousands column, 9 plus 0 plus 9 plus the carried 1 is 19. Put 9 in this column and carry 1. In the 10,000s column, 8 plus 0 plus 9 plus the carried 1 is 18. Put 8 in this column and carry 1. In the 100,000s column, 0 plus 5 plus the carried 1 is 6. In the millions column, bring down 3. The product of the whole numbers is 3,689,795. Count the highlighted digits after each decimal point. The factors have 6 decimal places altogether, so the product needs 6 decimal places. Place the decimal point 6 places from the right. 3,689,795 becomes 3.689795. So 17.999 times 0.205 is 3.689795.